Hello guys, today we will see the stock agent ops project, and now we have the two main streamlit dashboard. First is the AI financial analyst and second is MLOps monitoring. So on MLOps monitoring, it's more about the admin side of dashboard, or it's actually dashboard for the machine learning team. And here on the left side we have some important buttons and toggles. You can see the first main important button is to train your parent model, which is the S&P 500. If you are following my tweets about this project, you will get an idea like what's the architecture of this project. Okay, so if you scroll down a bit, we have the logs as well. If I click on a refresh logs, you can see the model training is going on for the parent. I've already started the training the parent model, and here you can actually set the limit, like how many lines you want to see from newest to oldest. Now you can see the parent model is trained. You can see these logs as well. We have the mean square error and RMSE of the parent model. So this is how we train our parent model. Now let's go to the child model. I have the another dashboard where you can just put the ticker name of the stock, and if you click on generate analysis, so what will happen at that time, the first LSTM model will get triggered and it will train your stock on the current trends, and it will make the financial report for you using the agentic AI. So let's wait for this. After training the NVIDIA model, you can get this dashboard where we have the latest price, the recommendation, sentiments, and the confidence as well. So there is a strategic report where you can see the 7-day outlook Bloomberg-style report, where you can see next 7 days of pricing. Also some tips like a takeaway. Also you can see some recent news highlights from the NVIDIA and the analyst commentary. Also you can see some market stance. So it's something like a financial report which is made by the agentic AI, and that's what we got. And another tab, we have the technical forecast where you can see the stock performance for the next 7 days. Now the issue with this is that the LSTM model is still bit underfitted. If you want to improve this, you can by cloning the repository. So this is something what user sees. You can see the links as well, also the everything whatever you wanted to do. Also if I create a new tab for this project, and if I hit the NVIDIA again, yeah, so it's getting the output within a less than a second because everything is cached now. So how cache is working here is that we are actually caching these prices, ML model outputs into the Redis, and then we are collecting the values from that Redis cache and feeding to the agentic AI model, and the entire output is from the agentic AI code or the line graph, and we are actually storing it in the quadrant database. And yeah, we are using the ticker based filtering where I'm giving the NVIDIA as an input, so it will go and check first in a quadrant. If that ticker is present, then it will fetch the output and represent it to us. Here is the monitoring dashboard, and now we have the parent health audit button. If I click on this button, I will get the data drift status of the parent model and the drift score. This is a feature based data drift, so you can see there are some statistical values. And on the other side, we have the uh, evaluation of the agentic AI performance, which is for the parent model. And if I go there and if I test it for NVIDIA, so here is the evaluation of the NVIDIA financial report, and this is trust score is 100%, relevance, trustworthiness, and has recommendation. So I have coded this manually, not using any kind of third-party library or any LangChain ecosystem. So you can see the report as well here, as I've shown you on this dashboard. So this is what we have in evaluation. I think I need to work more on this. This is just a very basic evaluation script that I'm using here. Okay, now coming back to the Grafana and Prometheus, here we are just monitoring the entire system, and we have all the components I have logged for monitoring the performance of the system. So here you can see the CPU uses, RAM, disk use, training status as well, prediction count as well, also the training duration, heat map for the training duration, and also for a prediction latency. Lastly, I made this project live called Stock Agent Ops, and here is the complete source code of the project. In the readme you will get everything you need to set up this project locally. So you just need to clone repository, and there is an overview of the project as well. If you want to know about this system from the theoretical perspective and the system design perspective, you just need to go under the doc directory and the system design markdown file, where you will get an entire idea of the project in the both low level design and high level design, also the edge cases, deployment and infrastructure. So this is the entire guide you need to design such kind of projects, and especially for this project. And lastly, you to run this project locally, there are some prerequisites. Basically Docker you need. Everything is currently running in a Docker Compose. You need Olama. I am using Olama locally for LLM and embedding purpose. There is a FinHub from which I am fetching the news of the each stock, and you just need to create a .env file in your root folder and provide some credentials of the DAGSub and MLflow. After that, you just need to run these two commands, which eventually run this command Docker Compose. So after building a Docker Compose, you will have an access of these URLs. I have already shown you the usage of each dashboard or the UI, right? So this is I made in last 30 days for my learning purpose as well, and I also want to explain people how MLOps works and how actually you can design your machine learning projects outside Jupyter Notebook. So guys, if you like this project, just follow me on X, and also just give a start to this repository. Until next time, bye.